skill. We usually think about that with professions and trades, but skill plays an important role on the assembly line. Certain jobs that you have out on your line, you've only got one or two people in your whole group who can do them just right. They get sick, they quit, whatever happens. You lose that skill, and it takes a long time to train somebody else up to replace them. The problem with manual skill is that even the best at what they do still aren't as good as a machine. Because a machine has accuracy and consistency that a human being will never have. We're adaptable machines, the most adaptable. But jack of all trades, master at none. One of the ways to improve your throughput, quality, reduce waste and cost is to go through your line and find a task that required the most manual skill, and find ways to mechanize or automate them. It also is an insurance against the day that person takes a holiday or doesn't feel well. Now you can get anybody in your line to press the button that starts the machine and to keep it fed. So that's another place to look when you're thinking about your process and how to improve your process, how to reduce your costs, how to increase your throughput and increase your quality. Is look for the tasks that require skill that only a few people have, and mechanize and automate the motions that are required to do those particular skills. And you will see a great return.